Okay, so hello guys and welcome back to a new episode. In this one, we're looking at something that we haven't actually looked at on the channel before. It is Dogecoin. So Dogecoin has been moving quite a lot today. If we have a quick look on the charts, we can see it is up by a significant amount. And of course, over the past 5 days, it has been actually rallying ever so slightly. But of course, today, we have seen a big increase in the price as Elon Musk tweeted about it only yesterday, which has of course increased the value of it. So of course, in tonight's one, I'm giving all of my personal opinions and my views into tomorrow. If it sounds like a plan, please leave a like and subscribe to tell me that you enjoy it. And of course, we're going to jump straight in, but do remember that I am not a financial advisor and you definitely need to do your own research. And of course, I can't be blamed if you do invest in this coin, so please make sure to do your own research. Don't follow me blindly, make sure you know what you're doing. But with that said, we're going to jump straight in. So guys, yeah, Dogecoin is a very interesting currency indeed. Obviously, looking at this one over the past week or so, we can see a lot of hype has been coming into this one, mainly since about Wednesday. Now, this has been hyped in many different ways. Obviously, people on Wall Street Bets are hyping this one as well. But basically, guys, Dogecoin is being seen as a new coin with some big potential. Now, honestly, guys, I do see the potential there if investor attention does carry on being so significant. And of course, with Elon Musk tweeting about it, it has also helped the share's price. And I think that is pretty funny, to be honest, because once Elon does do that tweet about something, which he does ever so often, it does usually increase the value, and this has been the case with Dogecoin. So we are looking at another positive day, plus 50% almost, which is insane. And of course, it has rallied even more in the past few days, and we can see now we are up a significant amount. So of course, guys, looking into this interesting coin, I personally do believe that tomorrow will be a very significant day for it. I think it definitely could see more increases into the green, and that would be a lovely thing to see. We could even break past this point here and hopefully even reach new highs. On the other hand, guys, it definitely depends how confident investors are with this one, because we do have potential to also see the price go down. Now, we all want to see it go up, we all want to see this one make money, but ultimately, guys, it definitely depends how many people are still interested in this one. And when it comes to investing in it, my personal approach is that I would not view it as a large investment. I would not put a lot of money into this one, because usually we talk about penny stocks and how risky they are, but this one has a value per coin of about 0.4, so of course only 4 cents. Now, it does have potential to rocket into the future, but I would not put tons and tons of money into this one because it is extremely volatile, just looking at the charts. And of course, with things like that, you have potential to make money very quickly, but you also have potential to lose money very, very quickly as well. So of course, know what you're getting yourself into with this coin. But honestly, guys, long term, as a speculative play, if you do have the money to lose, it definitely could work out if investors are still, appealed with this one. And of course, do see it as a long-term growth item. Now, honestly, guys, I don't think it has the potential to replace Bitcoin, and I think that would be a bit of an absurd claim. But you know what? It does have some potential there. It's definitely very volatile, and it could be a good trade. And of course, going into tomorrow, we could see this one increase even further. Now, of course, personally, going on what we have seen on the end of the day, where we have seen the price increase a bit more, it does show to me at least that investor attention is still there, as of course, yes, we have sold off for the majority of the day, but you know what, since about this point here at around 4:30, we can see that the price has come back, and of course, ever since then, up until market close, things have been moving very positively, and of course, that does kind of indicate that people are still interested in this one, and people were buying that dip. So personally, guys, going into tomorrow, I think this one is going to be very, very volatile. I think we could see this one rocket up at market open, in my personal opinion. I think it definitely could skyrocket when the market does open, maybe even touch past those previous highs, and I think that would be a fantastic thing to see. If that one was to happen though, I definitely think it would sell off later in the day, and I don't think that's a bad thing at all. And of course, we do have the potential of it selling off anyway tomorrow, because obviously, yes, a lot of hype did come into this one today, as Elon Musk tweeted about it only yesterday. But on the other hand, guys, we have the potential, of a lot of hype leaving this one as soon as it has come in, because yes, people will have got in, made a lot of money. I was reading a comment earlier today when somebody said that they bought this one 30 minutes after Elon Musk tweeted about it and sold it just a few hours later and made a big profit. I think stories like that are true. I think people will be selling out. I don't think that's a bad thing at all, because if you are in this one for the long term, it definitely still does have that potential. But obviously, guys, in my opinion, I've said it before, I'll say it again, it's a very speculative play, and it could lose you money just as fast as it could make it. But overall, tomorrow, I think it is going to be quite a key day for this one. I think it does bring the potential to hopefully touch past new highs. But yeah, Dogecoin, a very interesting one on the markets right now. Honestly, it does have the potential there if investors are interested in it, if it does get used. I think the fundamentals are also quite key for this one. But of course, if you do want me to do that, I can cover the fundamentals in a future episode. But in this one, we've just been given a bit of a forecast in what my personal opinions are tomorrow. And honestly, yes, I think tomorrow is going to be volatile for it. I think it definitely could go either way, but I think it's going to be extreme either way. It definitely could rocket past new highs, but also could see a bit of a decrease in price. Honestly, if it was to decrease, I don't think it'd be, much past this point here of about 4 cents, and I think that's a good thing. Even if we make it down there, we wouldn't have lost too much value, only about 0.8 cents, which is good, and that is what we would like to see. So like I said, guys, investors really are hyped up about this one. If we can keep that hype going, if people are still interested in this one for the future, it definitely does have long-term potential, and it could also be a very good short-term trade, as the volatility is definitely there. But honestly, guys, I would not put a large investment in this one, as it is risky. But you know what, for a short, small speculative play, it could be some fun, and it definitely could make some money if that volatility does keep up. And honestly, I think it will continue to be volatile into the next few days, and I think that is definitely a good thing. And it could also work in our favor if it does continue to rally upwards. I think if it does, we are definitely looking at a very potentially huge coin for the future, as this one has been receiving a lot of hype in the previous days, and that is honestly a good thing. So guys, I'll be giving my opinions on this one tomorrow if you do ask me to, so please tell me in the comments if you want to see me giving my opinions again. If you do, also please leave a like and subscribe as to not miss it. And on top of that, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye until then.